Okay, now that we have most everything set up, what we want to do is we want to take our folders here and extract them. So just take one of the folders, right click on it. If you have a PC, push extract here. Just click on allow. I use a program called WinAce, but your computer should automatically have, if you have a PC, it should automatically have a compressed zip program already installed on it. Now we have that folder ready, which is this one right here, is now into a folder how we need it to be. Now we need to do the same thing with this one. Right click, extract here. Alright, now we have both of our folders ready. Now before we upload these to our FTP, on a Resell Rights package you typically have some edits to do. You need to, if there's a PayPal button that you're going to use to take payment with, you need to configure that. You also need to set up your autoresponder with Aweber to capture your customers. So in a good Resell Rights package you'll actually have all those files in there. So you've got your home page, your thank you page, your download page, and everything else that comes with the package. So now what we want to do is we want to use a web editor to edit our pages and get it ready to upload. Okay, now I personally use Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver does cost quite a bit of money, but you can actually get a free trial download for 30 days if you just go to dreamweaver.com. I'm sure it'll probably take you right to it. Or you can use another one called NView, which I think is nvu.com. is a real simple web editor that actually works pretty well. So what you would do is the main pages we want to edit are our index page, our thank you page, and our download page. I see that all the images, the videos, and everything are in this file. So let's start with the index page. And what we're going to want to do is, if there's already a PayPal button from the original site, we'll just want to take that off and create our own PayPal button. So what you want to do is just right click on it. Now as you can see here it says edit with Dreamweaver. Well, once you download the trial version of Dreamweaver, or once you download the copy of NView, it should put that in your list. So just click on edit with Dreamweaver. Okay, now we're inside the index file from our resale package, and as you can see, this is basically a copy of the sales letter. In Dreamweaver you can choose what's called a split view, which you can see the actual code and then you can see what the page looks like when it's published online. Just kind of give you both views. I like to use both views. I don't know straight code, Hotmail code, so I also have to see a visual of what I'm going to edit. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to scroll down really on this page and just edit the payment button, because we don't want the payments going to the original people that own the site. We want the payment buttons to go to our bank account. Okay, as you can see right here, I've highlighted this payment button because it's the old button, and I want to show you, if you see this code right here, you can see this is the code from PayDotCom right here that goes directly to the owners of this site's account. What we want to do is basically just completely get rid of this. So we're just going to highlight it. We're going to go up here to edit and just push clear. Okay, now that payment button is completely gone. Now what we need to do is we need to go to PayPal, PayDotCom, or ClickBank, whichever one that you want to use, and edit the payment button so it comes to your account and not theirs. Now, if the resale right owner allows you to have affiliates, I would suggest that you use ClickBank or Pay.com to create the payment button. If the resale rights owner does not allow you to use or have affiliates, then I would just go directly to PayPal, create a simple PayPal button, and then stick that on my site. For this example, we'll just assume that your resale rights owner lets you have affiliates. And so what we'll do is we'll go into Pay.com, create a completely new payment button that's going to go directly to your account. So now let's log into Pay.com.